Okay, hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude, and I'm back out at Toys R Us, and they have loads of new Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous figures, and I mean loads. They've also got the new Legacy Collection Tyrannosaurus Rex Escape Pack, and this is the first time I've ever seen it here in Canada, so that's pretty crazy. They've also got Legacy Albertosaurus. This guy's going for 90 up here in Canada, and this guy's going for around 75. There's a sale currently on the Stomp and Escape. They actually have some of the old Camp Cretaceous as well. The Epic Roaring Rex, which seems to lack a lot of face paint compared to the newer one. And they've got the Spinosaurus as well. For other new figures, these are also new to Canada. Haven't seen these last week, and I hit like all of the Toys R Us, all the Walmarts. They're also a lot cheaper than the last wave on the Savage Strikes. Those guys are 17. These ones are only 15, so that's wicked. Again, a new thing, we've got the Dimorphodons Amber Collection. You may have seen in the last video. Those are fantastic, but they're at $50, which is a little bit of an oof. And then the redeco of the Velociraptor, which a little lackluster when it comes to the paint job. It's a lot more yellow. It's missing paint on arms and stuff. It's a cheaper one, so I highly recommend not picking it up for 50 bucks. They've got all the new human figures. They don't have John Hammond. Oh, no, they have John Hammond, sorry. They don't have Alan Grant, and they don't have Robert, which sucks. And I think they don't have the male raptor yet. Hopefully it comes in, but again, 50. Maybe I'll have to order it online or something. We'll just check the back there real quick. Dimorphodon. Okay. And they also have the roar attacks. Yeah. I picked these up last time, but no new ones. I'm looking for Metricanthosaurus. I don't think they have it. They have plenty of Oranosaurus. I would love to get another Herrerasaurus, but these guys are 30, which is, again, crazy. Like, come on. They used to be like 25. So there's also a sale on the Scorpius Rex. They've got the old Camp Cretaceous massive biter figures, which is pretty neat. And they also have the Pteranodon and Stegosaurus Mega Destroyers, which I haven't seen for a long time. They're really popular at Walmart, and they went out of stock quite quickly, which it's good I picked them up soon, but I didn't know we would see them again. Also new to Canada, check your Toys R Us, they've got Albertosaurus. And I think they got the baby brachio, but we'll just look. It looks like it's all Herrera right now. Last video I picked up that guy and the baby brachiosaur. They've also got all these human figures on clearance for $6. Got some old Camp Cretaceous attack pack assortment. Interesting. And they have the Dennis Nedry getaway pack, which is super cool. I'm glad they restocked this set. But yeah, it's not one you come across that often. But now we've got that, and we've got the Legacy Rex set. I really want to get 2 of these because they're, 2 explorers in the movie, but at this price range I might just have to like get it loose, or maybe, I don't know, I'll figure something out, because it'd be cool to have 2 of them. Yikes. Maybe there might be a sale in the future because of its price. That's happened before. They've got these new face masks. Got a green raptor and a Rex mask. Lots of the candy cane raptor, lots of the older Stygimoloch in gray, and plenty, and I mean plenty, of the Lost World Tiger Raptor, which is cool. If that ever goes on sale, I'll get some more. It's good to have a pack of those. Sale on Scorpius. They've got no human figure campers or anything, which sucks. But still, there's absolutely plenty of figures to choose from. They've even got the mini action dinos, which I've got. I already looked at that one. The Legacy Apatow. It's huge, absolutely massive. And here, can't believe I didn't go over this first of all, but we've got the Sauropelta, Machikosaurus, Gallimimus, and Velociraptor. What the heck's going on with Gallimimus' tail? There's a number on it. Interesting. But they've got cool attack features. Gallimimus has headbutt. I don't know what's going on with the raptor. I guess you just like swivel its body a little bit. And then, yeah. Machikosaurus has this little head bat. I hope the song in the background doesn't demonetize my video. Oh god. And then, yeah, the Sauropelta has this side-to-side action going on as well. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's pretty awesome that Toys R Us has all these figures in stock, and hopefully we find more in the future as the months go by. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.